Assalamu alaikum students. Today our topic is renewable energy and that is supporting the sustainable future. Today we are discussing about the renewable energy. First of all, we are discussing about the list of the content that including the introduction, what is renewable energy, solar energy, wind energy, hydroelectric energy, biomass energy, and at the last we are discussing about the conclusion. Introduction. Renewable energy is essential for the sustainable future because it's helped to reduce the greenhouse gas emission. They reduce the dependence on the fossil fuels and promotes the environmental conservation. Today we will explore the different type of the renewable energy and their benefits. First of all, we are discussing about what is the renewable energy. Renewable energy come from the natural source that are continuously renewed, such as the sunlight, wind, rain, sea tides, and the geothermal heat. In contrast to fossil fuel, renewable energy sources do not run out over the time and they have the lower environmental impact. It shows that the energy that are non-renewable like a coal and the oil, they create the harm in our environment and they cause the air pollution. But if you are using the renewable energy source like solar energy, wind energy, rain energy, and then sea tides and the geothermal energy, they cannot harm the our environment and they are the eco-friendly. First of all, we are discussing about the solar energy. Solar energy is the harnessed from the sun using photovoltaic cell which converts sun energy into the electricity. Solar panel can be installed on the roof of the house or a large solar power plant. They formed the conversion of solar energy into electric energy and they're utilized by the people, and either we are using the other source of the energy, then they cause like if we are using the electricity that is come from the other source, and they cause the energy consumption and cause the pollution. And as compared to the solar energy is more beneficial as compared to the other source of energy. Next, we are discussing about the wind energy. Wind energy is produced using the wind turbines, which convert kinetic energy from wind into mechanical power, which then they convert into electricity. And these energy is present in our nature free, and they are not deplete, and they are used by conversion of one form of energy like kinetic energy from wind into the mechanical energy, and then they produce the electricity, and that is used by the people, and this energy is also inexpensive as compared to the other energy. Hydroelectric energy is produced by capturing the energy of the flowing or falling water. This is usually done using a dam or the large rivers. That electric energy that is used in many countries that they require the dams and the large river to falling of water, and then they convert into the energy, and that is the energy that is used to convert into electric energy, and they used by the common people. Next, we are discussing about the biomass energy. Biomass energy is produced from the organic material such as the plant and the animal waste. It can be used for heating, generating the electricity as a fuel. That is example is the biogas, that is example of that biomass energy. Next, we are discussing about the conclusion. By harnessing the renewable energy source, we can reduce our impact on the environment, encourage the sustainable development, and to create the cleaner healthier plant for the future generation. If we are using this type of energy like a solar energy, wind energy, water energy, and the biomass energy, these all energies are the eco-friendly and they cannot harm the environment as the other source of the energy, and that they are very beneficial to the create the clear and the healthier planet for the future generation. Let's work together to create the sustainable future and save our planet. Thank you so much for your listening. Keep watching and Allah Hafiz.